How to fix live suspended on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix live suspended problem on TikTok. So if your TikTok live was suspended or you can't go live anymore, don't worry. This guide will help you to understand why it happened and what you can do next. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to go to the settings section. Now from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on Live Center or Live Settings button. And now here, once you are in this section, it will show you the reason why your live was suspended and how long the suspension will last. And if you believe that the suspension was a mistake, then you can simply submit an appeal. And to do this, you can just go back to the settings and privacy section, and from here you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply tap on the option labeled as Help Center. And now from here you can just tap on Chat with us, and there you can select your problem and tell them about it. And there you have to explain your issues clearly, but make sure to be polite and honest when writing your appeal. And with that, you can also check TikTok community guidelines to avoid violations in future. And if your suspension is temporary, you'll have to wait until the suspension period ends. Unfortunately, the permanent suspension cannot be reversed. So once your suspension is lifted, make sure you follow all live rules to avoid getting suspended again. And that's it. That's how you can fix or appeal a TikTok live suspension. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.